Do you ever tried to build a SaaS from scratch? You open VS Code, set up Next.js, then you realize, oh wait, I still need authentication, then payments, then database, and even before you start building your idea, you are already 2 weeks deep in boilerplate hell. That's literally me a few months back. I wanted to build my own SaaS, but half of my time was wasted connecting on Next.js frontend with Python backend. And don't even get me started on Stripe and Auth setup. So I decided to fix that once and for all. I built something that takes you from idea to live SaaS in days, not weeks. It's called PyNext Starter, a production-ready Next.js and Python base with everything you actually need. You get a ready-to-use authentication, Stripe payments, SEO-optimized pages, dashboard, AI integration, and database setup, all wired up perfectly. It's not another fancy boilerplate, it's a battle tested foundation that just works every time. Watch this. Clone, install, run, boom, you are live. Instead of spending 20 hours debugging a setup, you start actually shipping your product. I have spent months perfecting the bridge between Next.js and Python, fixing all the annoying API mismatches and auth headaches, so you don't have to. Right now, I am doing something special for early users. The original price is $299, but for a limited time, it's only $199. Yup, that one-time payment and lifetime access with unlimited updates. Look, ideas are easy. Execution, that's where the most dev get stuck. You don't need another tutorial, you need the momentum. PyNext Starter gives you that head start so your next idea doesn't stay in your notes app. Perfect moment never comes. Start shipping your SaaS today.